Hello everyone, welcome to Wondershare Filmora tutorials. In this video we are going to see that how can we play a video in full screen inside Wondershare Filmora software. So by default you will get this much of a screen space. If you want to increase the screen space, you can actually use these kind of sliders and increase this screen space, this preview screen space, but that means your working area would be decreased, or the transitions that are available or the other screens, other panels that are available, their size would decrease. So in order to avoid this and give you a good preview of the video, Wondershare Filmora provides you a full screen preview of your videos. How do we access that? The process is pretty simple. Open your Wondershare Filmora and click on these two arrows actually. This is going to open it for you in the full screen. You can use this particular UI that is available to you, and after a few seconds it would go down so that the subtitles etc. also that are applied, that you can see in full screen. Once you want to go out of the full screen, either you can use these two arrows or simply use the escape key to go back to the normal mode. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.